Good morning, friends, and welcome to the Karen Nitpick Tour that you've been waiting for. Everything can't always be 1,000%. Come on. Can't always be 1,000% everywhere you go. So, if you want to know what is specifically wrong with room 304 and a little bit about the community as well. Okay, first initial issue with room 304. I watched this video and the guy told me that they are all oceanfront. Now, floor number 2 or 3, it's wherever the 300s rooms are, you only get a partial view. There's the ocean, and there's the ocean over there. You don't really get any type of view over here on this side of the building. You do get a nice view of everyone else's swimming pools below. Also, here in December, it's breezy AF, so that could cause an issue for you. So make sure to bring at least a very lightweight shirt or a jacket. But the balcony wasn't really utilized, even though it's really cool that it's a double balcony. We didn't utilize it, just had that to look at, just trees. So we spent a lot of time on the beach instead. So let's go inside. All right, nitpick numero dos. What is that? We could not figure out why it's leaking. I think it's condensation issues here. They kept this stuff, the Corona's ours, that is not something that's affiliated with them. If you are feeling awful, having a bad stomach issue, I completely suggest Crystal. That was an amazing little soda to have. I'm actually gonna miss that going back to the States. But the beers that they put inside of your refrigerator are either Tecate or I believe, what was Azul, I think. So no Coronas here. Everything that's on tap at this restaurant or at this resort is 100% Dos Equis, either the dark or the light. All right, these are a little janky. Sometimes they would go in a little janky. This one feels a little sideways here. That was the only issue with this in particular. If you don't know how to use this, this is one of those pod deals. You put the pod in, snap it down, hit the power button, and then pick. I believe this one is for a full cup and this one is for a shot. But there is a full coffee bar downstairs. Now, here's my nitpick. Every single time my ass went over to do the coffee maker, I hit my head on this big ass thing. I probably have hit my head on it at least 6 to 7 times being here for 9 days. We'll get to the biggest issue that we had while we're here, but this room is very cool. Very lovely to come back to after a long day out on the beach. Very lovely. This is supposed to be a couch/bed. We actually slept on this one night. It is very comfortable on one side. The other side is very hard. I'm thinking because it's not been utilized that much and is mainly used as a couch. We normally would take these cushions and I would put them behind my pillow at night in order to add some more support. We'll get to that in a second. But yes, this is not the most comfortable to sit on and watch television. Now, another little tidbit, it's not really a nitpick, but I'd say about 98% of the television channels that come through are in Espanol, Spanish. So we decided to get a Fire Stick and we hooked up a VPN to it. So we were able to actually stream everything that we liked at home. So if we wanted to have a night in and just chill, we had the capability to watch, but we do 100% recommend Surfshark. They work very well as a VPN while we were here. Last little tidbit. One thing that we really loved about Live Aqua, which is another one of their sister resorts, is that something they don't have here was that they had a similar bin like this where you were to put all of your dirty dishes and such in, and it would normally be like, let's just say this is a bin here, and you would place your dishes in here and then cut on the light, and it would let the people cleaning and picking up dishes know that you had dirty dishes in there. Instead, you have to sit them outside. Animals get into them, birds will get into them. It doesn't feel like it's a great sanitary option for putting your room service away. And yes, room service is included. We did utilize that a lot. If you would like to check that out, please check it out in the video of the vlog for the week. But we did check it out, was great. I 100% recommend the Cozumel eggs. That was my favorite. We did eat the entire menu, so that was 100%. All right, there is a lot of storage, but one negative is this one's hid. I just literally found that one. And then the rest is kind of over here. They do give you an umbrella, and it did rain quite a few times while we were here. So that was a positive. That is not a nitpick at all. Also, as a reminder, to make sure to utilize the water, do not drink the water, don't brush your teeth with the water, just bathe with the water, that's it. And as well, they didn't have it posted anywhere, but they may have an issue with flushing paper down the toilet, so just be aware of that. Now, when it came to water, hot water, it was hit or miss every single day. You either got a lukewarm shower or you got a really nice hot shower. And this shower head was like something was peeking on you. So that was my negative. When I did have a hair wash day, your girl did it old school and washed it in the sink. Our biggest downfall, only because we are those people that do sleep on a very soft mattress at home, and we normally will have an issue with 9 out of 10 places that we normally stay. This was a hard as hell bed. And like I said, we even tried out the couch in the living room as an alternative just so that we could cool off. This bed has very light covers and things, so it was comfortable to sleep at night, but yes, we definitely needed the fan. We definitely needed the ceiling fan in order to be really comfortable. If not, we didn't sleep with hardly anything on. This bed is super duper hard. We had some back issues, and that is the reason why we ended up going to get a back massage yesterday. All right, we are going to, again, let them know 304, hot, hot. 304 is so freaking hot. Please look into it and look into the refrigerator leaking. Otherwise, this was an amazing stay in this one particular. If we ever come back to this resort, we probably will specify one of the other rooms on the other side or stay at their sister resort, which is the Explorian, and they book travel, fun things to do outside for you over there. I don't know if it's at a cost or what, but I probably will either want to be on that side of the resort or in one of the rooms with a pool. We also did not have any type of noise issues when it came to our neighbors. We didn't hear anything. You could barely, being in this room, you could barely hear when someone was coming to the door to knock. But the only thing that was just truly just irking my husband was people above us always sounded like they were moving furniture in the middle of the night. So if that's gonna bother you, 304 is not gonna be okay for you. This resort probably won't be okay for you. Now, as far as closet space, if you're gonna be hanging up your clothes while you're here, this was a little weird. Your clothes aren't gonna hang straight over here. Like I said, this is like a nitpick tour, so please just, we're just letting you know about the little things that could bring you any type of chaos while you're here. So, hung fine over here, not so much over here. so freaking tired. Home for the next 8 hours.